Hello friends, myself so Arpita Sunil Pandav, assistant teacher. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my education channel.
Question first. Make meaningful sentences from given words. First, eat fruit, vegetables. And we should eat fruits, vegetables. Happy, wish, year, new. Answer. Wish you Happy New Year. Question 2. Write opposite words of first, same, opposite word, different. Second, inside, opposite word, outside. Question 3. Put the words in alphabetical order. First, play, parents, each, still, leaves, grass. Answer. Each, grass, leaves, parents, play, still. Second, birds, flight, here, geese, group, person. Answer. Birds, flight, geese, group, here, person. Question 4. Punctuate the sentences. First, oh no, you are too kind. Please stay for lunch today. Answer. Oh, no, you are too kind. Please stay for lunch today. Second, come, I will show you. Answer. Come, I will show you. Question 5. Make adverse form. Slow, slowly. Quick, quickly. Question 6. Write a letter to your friend about a wonderful book you have read just nowadays. Sarvesh Pandav, Home Apartment, Mahalay Farm, New CID Co Pune. Dear friend Athar, how are you? I hope you are very happy and nice. I am writing this letter to you about my new book reading. This week, I have finished a very interesting book. The name of the book is The Wings of Fire, written by Dr. APJ Kalam. This book is about a life journey, struggle and the achievement of Kalam's life. It is very inspirative and interesting. You should also read this. I am fine here. Convey My regards to your parents. Take care. Yours lovingly, Sarvesh Pandav. Question 7. Write a story with given clues. A village, carefree boy, sheep. Boy didn't want to take care of sheep. Always run and play. Decided to have fun. Wolf. Villagers see no wolf. Next day, same cried. Villagers left angrily. Wolf attacked sheep. Villagers thought, fool. A boy lost all sheep. The shepherd and the wolf. Once upon a time, there lived a boy, Naman, who was a shepherd in a village. He was very careless about his sheep. He used to take away his sheep for grazing on the hills. He didn't have any interest in his work. He used to play, sing and roam everywhere. One day he felt very bored and decided to make fun of the villagers. He shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf, help!" The farmers in the neighboring area arrived there. They didn't see any wolf. The boy started laughing loudly. Next day, he again did the same thing to make fun of others. It was happened again and again. The villagers became very angry and decided not to go for help. One day, when Naman was grazing his sheep, the wolf arrived there and started hunting the sheep. Naman cried loudly for help, but nobody arrived there. He was very helpless. The wolf killed his sheep. Naman lost everything.